Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one is going to be a very specific task. This one is about automating a recurring report from Facebook ads. There are tons of more details that could be explained in this, but I just want to do a quick tutorial on how to set up a recurring email that runs a report inside of Facebook ads. And we've had a lot of questions about this lately. We've had a couple of our customers that have asked, hey, do we need to sign up for this service? There's a company that's offering it and they'll do it for a fee. And I said, no, this really isn't something that you need to pay for. This is something you just need to know how to do. Okay, so let's get right into it. Once you're inside of Facebook Ads Manager, and I'll put a link in the description below. Once you're inside of that, if you come over here to the reports and you click on that, if you have any of your existing reports, you can go ahead and just click on one of those from the drop down and it'll load the report. Here you click on the blue up here in the top left. Okay, and then we say schedule email. When we do, we'll click the on and then we'll say how frequently do we want this set. Okay, in this case we'll just say weekly. We'll say we want it sent on Thursday. And we'll go ahead and pick which email does this go to. Now, the only way you can send this to a specific email is if you're either the owner of the Ads Manager account or you're someone who is a manager inside of it, right? A subscriber for this. So if we click on this drop down, and I apologize for the blurring here for privacy, right? We can select from the drop down which user we want. In this case, there's only one. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And then we'll say apply. Okay, and once you've applied that, then click the save button. Okay, it's that simple. So you don't have to pay someone to go off and set up your reports and then email them to you, because the only thing they're doing is this, and then they turn around and charge you and yet send you the same report. All right, so I hope this helps. If you need help with more of the details, like how to set up reports, or how to change the columns, how to change the dates and times, that'd be a great email. If we have a request for that, then we'll go ahead and tackle that for you. But I just wanted this to be really simple. You don't have to pay someone to set up your automation of your Facebook ads reporting. All right, thanks, and I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can always come over to BTFOOM.com to our contact page and send us a request. Thanks, and I hope this helps.